Can NRIs based out of US invest in Indian mutual funds? Yes, NRIs based out of USA can invest in Indian mutual funds, but however, all AMCs don't allow investments for US-based NRIs. Most of them don't have a uniform policy to deal with US-based clients. Mutual fund investments are simple for NRIs as it is simple for residents also. But do you know that US-based NRIs are treated differently? This is because of the cumbersome compliance requirements under the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, which is also known as FATCA. Now, what is FATCA? Under FATCA, it is compulsory for all financial institutions to share details of all transactions, including US citizens, including NRIs, and including any foreign citizen with the US government taxed at US residency. FATCA ensures that there is no deliberate tax evasion on the income generated by US citizens overseas. Now, India has signed an intergovernmental agreement with USA on July 9, 2015 for improving international tax compliance and implementing FATCA. Due to this reason, mutual fund houses have stopped taking investments for US residents. But don't be disheartened, because there are some mutual fund houses which allow NRIs based out of US to invest in India. Now, which AMCs allow investments from US NRIs? Currently, 25 out of the 45 fund houses allow investments for US-based NRIs. Now, broadly, these fund houses can be distributed into two categories. One, where investors are not required to be physically present in India while making the investment. And second, where investments are required to be physically present in India while making these investments. Let's find out which are these fund houses where investors are not required to be physically present in India. Now, these fund houses are Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, Grove Mutual Fund, ITI Mutual Fund, Nippon India Mutual Fund, Quant Mutual Fund, Samco Mutual Fund, Shriram Mutual Fund, Sundaram Mutual Fund, UTI Mutual Fund, and the last one is White Oak Capital Mutual Fund. Now, these 10 mutual fund AMCs allow investors to invest even if they are not present in India. You can invest in any of the schemes of these AMCs without any restrictions, and these transactions can happen online too. Now, which are the other fund houses which insist that NRIs have to be physically present in India? And mind you, this is only for US based NRIs. Now, these fund houses are 361 Mutual Fund, Axis Mutual Fund, Bandhan Mutual Fund, DSP Mutual Fund, but it allows only lump sum investments, Edelweiss Mutual Fund, ITI Mutual Fund, again one which allows only lump sum investments, HDFC Mutual Fund, ICICI Mutual Fund, Kotak Mutual Fund, Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund, Navi Mutual Fund, NJ India Mutual Fund, Parag Parikh Mutual Fund, SBI Mutual Fund, and Taurus Mutual Fund. Now, please note that these fund houses receive investments only through physical mode. That means you have to be present in India while submitting your application form, and this application form has to be attached along with a declaration form. This declaration includes your resident status and confirms your presence in India. Now, which bank account should you do these investments from? Now, there are no restrictions as such to invest in mutual funds using your NRE or NRO bank accounts. But these AMCs will never accept your investments into foreign currencies. It has to be only in INR terms. If you talk to us, we insist all our investors to invest only through their NRE account, because it makes your repatriation to the resident country easy in the future. One more thing to keep in mind for US-based NRIs is you will have to share your Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, which is FATCA details, and tax identification number, which is your SSN number, along with your KYC details. FATCA declaration form captures information like the type of address, residential or business address, country of your tax residence, your tax identification number, which is your SSN in case of US NRIs, and seek investor consent for sharing the information with the relevant tax authorities. Now, to get your KYC done, which are the documents required? The typical documents required for KYC are your PAN card, your overseas address proof like your driving license or your rental agreement, a copy of your passport, the first page and the last page, a passport size photographs, an OCI card in case of foreign passport holders, and the main KYC form. I hope I could solve your queries, and here at NRI Money with Alok, I am committed to helping you make informed and strategic financial decisions. Drop your questions and experiences in the comment section below. Until next time.